So we needed to make the x's match. We did the top times 8, the bottom times 7 to get these numbers to make the x's match. They both say positive 56. Since they are exactly the same, we should be subtracting. Please do not forget that each column is subtraction. 56 minus 56, that's what we eliminated. However, negative 64 minus negative 49 means I'm actually adding. If I'm actually adding for these things, that becomes a negative 15y. Here, 88 minus 49, which is actually going to give me a positive, will that be 39? I'm going to divide by negative 15. $15 does not go into 39, but this can be reduced because they are both multiples of 3. 3 goes into 39 13 times. 3 goes into 15 5 times. Please do not forget the negative sign. So there's y. But at this point, I think it looks like a very uncomfortable task to take a fraction like this and plug it in for y into either one of these. So instead of doing that, I'm going to eliminate the other variable. I'm going to go back to the beginning. I'm going to multiply them differently, and this time, instead of making the x's match, I'm going to make the y's match. So to do that, instead of multiplying by 8 and multiplying by 7, I'm going to say, let's make the y's match. Let's multiply that by 7 and that by 8. That way I get 49x minus 56y equals 77. And I get 64x minus 56y equals 56. We have our columns. Everything's lined up. Negative 56 and negative 56 are exactly the same, so we should subtract to eliminate them. Don't forget that each column is subtraction. 49 minus 64 is a negative 15x. 77 minus 56 is a positive 21. When I go to divide by negative 15, I get that x equals 15 does not go into 21, but again, they're both multiples of 3. 3 goes into 21 7 times, 3 goes into 15 5 times, and don't forget the negative. So those become the two values that I need, and I can put them together to make my final answer. Negative 7/5, comma, negative 13/5.